Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Indie Zone podcast. My name is Kathy. We have an update for you with respect to the very high-profile defamation case out of Delaware filed by the President and First Lady of France, Emmanuel and Brigitte Macron, alleging they were defamed by Candace Owens, a podcaster. They sued Ms. Owens and two of her corporations based out of the state of Delaware, alleging that Ms. Owens had falsely produced content stating that Brigitte Macron is a male and that the Macrons have been perpetrating a fraud by presenting Ms. Macron as a female. The amended complaint was filed in September of 2025. The defendants came back with a motion to dismiss on various grounds, including citation of the First Amendment, that these were opinions based on content that Ms. Owens relied upon producing such content on her podcast as Becoming Brigitte. The plaintiffs came back with a response opposing the motion to dismiss, and then finally, Ms. Owens filed what's called a replying to the response, alleging facts to the effect that Judge, what the Macrons are asserting in the response opposing the motion to dismiss does not meet muster under the law. It should be disregarded and dismissal should be granted. And then there's an alternative theory the defendants raised in the motion to dismiss. It's a motion to dismiss and also a motion to strike certain allegations from the amended complaint, alleging that the Macrons procedurally improperly filed this amended complaint without seeking leave, which is permission from the court to file an amendment. At this point, the briefings as to the motion to dismiss are closed. The motion was filed seeking dismissal or, in the alternative, striking portions of the amended complaint. Plaintiffs came back with their response in opposition to this requested relief. And then finally, the defense fired back with a reply to the response opposing dismissal. All that's left right now, pending anything unknown at this point, is that the court needs to make a ruling. The court must rule, number one, if this case should proceed or if the lawsuit should be thrown out of court. And if the court finds that it should proceed, then the second question presented by the defense is, should portions of the amended complaint be thrown out? Check the docket this morning, and there is nothing beyond the filing of the reply brief back on January 9th, 2026. There's also no notice of a hearing where the court would seek oral argument by both of the sides as to the matter of dismissal. And therefore, we are awaiting either a hearing set by the court or a ruling by the court on the matter of dismissal or striking of certain issues from the amended complaint. We will continue to monitor the situation for further developments and update you as they arise. Until next time, this is Kathy. Thank you for joining us here today.